I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee scrub. This natural exfoliant offers fantastic benefits for your skin, leaving it smooth and radiant. Coffee grounds gently buff away dead skin cells, revealing a fresher complexion underneath. Plus, the caffeine can help stimulate blood flow, which contributes to a healthy, vibrant glow. It's a simple, effective way to pamper yourself at home. To create your own invigorating coffee scrub, you'll need just a few basic ingredients. Start with 1/2 cup of fresh coffee grounds, not instant. Next, select a carrier oil. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil works wonderfully to moisturize your skin. For an extra sensory experience, consider adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or peppermint. Once you have your ingredients, the process is straightforward. In a small bowl, combine the coffee grounds and your chosen carrier oil, mixing them thoroughly until you achieve a consistent paste. In the shower, apply the scrub to damp skin, gently massaging in circular motions for a few minutes. Focus on areas that need extra exfoliation. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse off completely with warm water. For best results, store your homemade coffee scrub in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It should remain fresh and effective for up to 2 weeks. Incorporate this scrub into your routine 1 to 2 times per week to maintain soft, glowing skin. Remember to moisturize afterwards. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.